Hey bitches, it's Flower. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I contour and highlight using both drugstore and high-end products. Usually when I do my makeup, it will be a mix of high-end and drugstore products, but for this video, I wanted to do them separately to show you guys that you don't always have to get high-end products and you can also get the same look using drugstore products. Before we get into this video, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at f.low.e.r to keep up with me when I'm not posting here on YouTube. So if you guys want to see how to highlight and contour using both drugstore and high-end products, then keep watching. The high-end concealer that I'm using is the Fenty Beauty Match Stick. The drugstore concealer is Maybelline's Instant Age Rewind Eraser. On the left is the high-end products and on the right is the drugstore. To highlight, you're going to need a concealer that's 2 to 3 shades lighter than your skin tone. I applied the concealer in a triangle shape to highlight my cheekbones and make my under eye area look really bright. Adding a lot of highlight to your forehead will make it appear larger, so I don't put that much. I apply concealer above my jaw and on my chin, so when I blend in my contour, it'll give a gradient effect and brighten up that area. You can either highlight your nose before or after contour. Just apply to the bridge and tip of your nose. The Fenty Beauty Match Stick in Truffle is the high-end product. The NYX Cosmetics Wonder Stick is the drugstore. For contour, you want it to be 4 to 5 shades darker than your skin tone. Both of these sticks are cream contours, which is what I always apply before powder. Apply the contour under your cheekbones and on your jawline to give it a more defined look. I'm drawing 2 lines on the sides of my nose to contour it. The closer that you draw the lines, the slimmer your nose will look. I prefer for my nose to look slimmer. I apply contour under the tip to make my nose look more lifted. Going back to the concealer, I highlight the sides where I just applied the contour on my nose. Doing this cleans up the contour you just applied, as well as making your nose look super snatched. I never contour my forehead when I wear wigs, so that's why I'm not doing it in this video. To blend in the concealer, I always use this black beauty blender. To blend in the highlight, I'm patting the beauty blender, not swiping. Do not swipe when blending and highlight because you're going to move the product around and you want everything to stay where you just applied it. This KKW Beauty Concealer Brush 2 is the best brush to get to contour. This side of the brush right here is the best for blending and contour. It blends in the contour so evenly. To blend in your contour, you can either do a swiping motion or patting, but you need to blend it upwards because you don't want to pull the contour down. Also, make sure that you're really blending in all the products so that there are no harsh lines. Going back to the beauty blender, I'm blending in the highlight on my chin. Now I'm blending in the highlight that's under the hollows of my cheek, which is going to give the illusion of a higher cheekbone and more lifted look. I prefer to use this angled beauty blender to blend in my nose contour. Because of the angle this beauty sponge has, it blends in my nose contour so well. To apply loose or setting powder, I like to use the KKW Beauty Concealer Brush 2. I use this side of the brush in order to do so. As you can see, it's angled, kind of like how the beauty blender is I use to blend in my nose contour. Urban Decay Naked Skin Shapeshifter is a high-end product, and the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder is a drugstore. I'm using the yellow powder from the Naked Skin Shapeshifter palette. You can either set your makeup with a loose powder like the one from Maybelline or a pressed setting powder like the one from Urban Decay. Not only do these setting powders make your makeup stay all day, they also brighten up even more where you've already highlighted. I apply setting powder under the hollows of my cheeks in order to clean up the powder contour when I apply and blend it in. To apply powder contour, I use this angled eyeliner brush. Because of the way the brush is angled, it applies the contour perfectly. The NYX Cosmetics Highlight and Contour Pro palette is the drugstore powder contour. The Urban Decay Naked Skin Shapeshifter palette is the high-end product. I'm using the darkest shade from these highlight and contour palettes. Apply the powder contour everywhere that you applied the cream contour in order to set it. I prefer to draw out the powder contour before blending it in. That's why I'm using an angled eyeliner brush to do so. The angle on this brush is especially good for drawing out nose contour. Apply concealer down the bridge of your nose and on the tip. Going back into the loose and setting powder, I'm going to use the powder to really define my nose and carve it out. To wipe away the loose or setting powder, I like to use this makeup brush. This is the makeup brush I usually use to apply my pressed powder. To blend out the setting powder, you have to swipe it away and do not pat it in because if you pat it in, all the powder is going to stick to your face and make your makeup look cakey. I didn't want to bake too much, that's why I only left the setting powder on there until I was done drawing out my powder contour. I blend in the contour before I blend away the setting powder that's under the hollows of my cheek. Going back to my makeup brush, I wipe away all the setting powder, which is going to clean up the contour that I just blended in. Taking the angled beauty blender, I'm blending in the nose contour. This is what it looks like once all the highlight and contour is blended in. Now that we are done highlighting and contouring, it's time to add highlighter, which is going to give a glow to your face. Maybelline's Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter in Molten Gold is the drugstore product. Fenty Beauty's Shimmer Skin Stick in Rum is the high-end product. I use a tapered eyeshadow brush to apply the Maybelline highlighter, and since the Fenty Beauty highlighter is a stick, I just apply it. Apply highlighter to the tip and bridge of your nose, the tops of your cheekbones, your brow bone, your forehead, and your chin. The key to making your highlight look blinding but still natural is really pinpointing where you apply the highlight to the high points of your face. I especially love how highlight under the brow bone makes them look more raised. Taking a tapered highlighter brush, I'm blending in everywhere I just applied highlight. Doing this is going to make the highlight look more natural and like your skin is glowing. This is the completed look using all high-end products. And this is the completed look using all drugstore products. That's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to my channel so you can see more of my videos whenever I post. Comment if you want to leave a comment because I read all of your guys' comments, and I'll see you in the next one.
They ask me how I'm feeling, my nigga, I'm feeling lovely. It must be. Everywhere I go, they wanna fuck me. Must be. Oh, my nigga, who got the money?